Hi guys, thanks for joining me today on my channel. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Karen. I hope you would consider sticking around and subscribing to my channel. Today's look is going to be on this eye look. I'm using the new, actually it's new to me, it's not necessarily new, the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pots in Park Avenue Princess. And that is the star of this show. So if you want to see how I got this look, which was actually pretty easy, then just stay tuned. Okay, now that I have you so up close and personal, I have everything on, full face, except for my eyes. I'm going to play with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, and then this is the big thing of what I want to do today is use the Tarte, what is it called? The Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot, and this is in Park Avenue Princess, and it is so pretty. I don't want to spill it, but let's see if we can see it right there. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to go for like a gold bronzy eye today, so we'll see what we come up with. So I will put all the colors on the screen because I'm really bad at showing them, but just know that all the browns will be from Modern Renaissance except for the Park Avenue Princess. This is a E40 from Sigma, and I'm going to take a light color and I'm going to put it in my crease. Okay, next, go a little darker, same brush, same place. Now I'm going to take the next shade, which is just a different tone, but the same kind of brown. In the exact same spot. These colors, they still to this day just make me so happy. Now I'm taking a crease brush, type outer V type brush. This is from some off-brand Basanti, and I'm going to go in with the darker red shade, and I'm going to keep that right on the crease. Not going to go up high with it. And I'm going to take that brush I used before. Now I'm going to go in with that same brush, and I'm going to take the darkest color, Cypress Umber. I'm just going to put it on the tip, and I'm going to keep this on the outer corner of my eye and pushing it inward. And I'll take that original brush. Okay, now for right now we're leaving that, and we're going to go in with the star of the show. This is like a loose pigment, and then I'm going to take a MAC 212, I think it is, and I'm going to spray it. And the only reason I'm spraying it is not for the way the shadow performs, but more to keep it on the brush because I don't want a lot of falling out. And then I'm going to take it in, because it's, here, let me show you. So it's pretty loose, and so I'm just going to pat it in and pick some up, and then I'm going to take the back of the lid and kind of press it firmly so I don't have it falling everywhere. Kind of make almost like a paste out of it. That way I feel like I have a little better control of it. And then I'm going to put this on the inner 3/4 of my eye. It's like liquid gold. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, now I'm just going to finish up, touch up on the outer portion again. A little bit of that brown. Now I'm going to take that original brush that has no product on it, and I'm just going to go up here. That is so pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to leave you for a minute, and I'm going to sweep off my face, do my mascara, and finish out my bottom lash line. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the finished look. I put some mascara on and lined my eyes, waterline tight line with black eyeliner, and my lashes today are House of Lashes Noir Fairy Lights, and lips are a combination of MAC Half Red lip liner with Fenty Gloss Bomb on top. So what do I think? I mean, look at these. It's like liquid gold on your eye. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I think it would be beautiful for if you had a deeper skin tone to just put that, like a light wash of that, you know, with your bronze skin. It would be gorgeous. I think it comes in different colors. I just got this one because I fell in love with it. So there you go, just a quick tutorial on a gold, bronze-ish, gold, more gold kind of eye look, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe to my video and give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.